In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign on Google Drive. Let's get you into your files quickly and securely. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going directly to drive.google.com. Typing the address into the address bar is the simplest, most reliable way to reach the official site. Before you proceed, take a quick look at the URL to make sure it's spelled correctly and that you see the secure connection indicator in your browser. This helps ensure you're on the genuine Google Drive page. Once the page loads, you'll see an option that says Go to Drive or, in some layouts, Sign In. The wording can vary, but both take you to the same place, Google's Sign In screen. Click that button to continue. If you are already signed in within your browser, you might be taken straight into your Drive. If not, you'll be asked for your account details. When prompted, enter your Google email. This is the email address associated with your Google account, often a Gmail address. Make sure you enter it carefully, watching for extra spaces or small typos, especially if you're on a mobile device or using an unfamiliar keyboard. Keeping the address accurate here saves time and avoids sign-in errors. After typing your email, click Next to move on. You'll now be asked for your password. Type it in exactly as you created it. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check for capital letters and make sure caps lock is off if you don't need it. Take a moment to confirm each character is right. This is a common spot for simple mistakes. Keep your password private and avoid entering it on shared or untrusted devices. When you're confident it's correct, click Next. If everything matches, you'll be signed in and taken into Google Drive. You should see your files, folders, and quick access suggestions on the homepage. That's your confirmation that the sign-in worked. From here, you can open documents, upload files, or organize your folders, knowing you're securely logged in. If you see an error, don't worry. Errors often come from a mistyped email or password. Re-enter your details carefully and try again. Make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're on drive.google.com. That's all there is to it. Go to drive.google.com, click Go to Drive or Sign In, enter your Google email, click Next, type your password, and click Next again. With those steps, you're in and ready to work. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Google Drive with confidence.